In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Hotels.com. This is a quick tweak that can make prices easier to understand and help you avoid surprise conversion fees at checkout. Whether you're on a computer or your phone, you can do this in just a few clicks. First, head over to the official Hotels.com website or open the app. You don't need to search for a property yet. Changing your settings up front applies across your browsing. If you're already in the middle of searching, that's fine too. You can change the currency at any point and the prices will update. Look for the currency or region indicator on the site. On desktop, it's usually in the top right corner and might show a currency like PHP, USD, EUR, or a small flag with a country or region name. On mobile, tap the menu or profile icon and find the settings or language and currency option. Go ahead and click the current currency display. If yours says PHP, click that. If it shows something else, click whatever appears for you. A settings panel will open where you can change both your region and your currency. The region typically affects local deals, taxes, and how fees are displayed, while the currency controls the number you see next to each room price. If you want your prices to match the currency on your payment card, choose that currency to reduce conversion uncertainty. If you prefer to see prices in your travel destination's currency, pick that instead. Keep in mind that exchange rates are updated by the site, and your bank may still apply its own rate or fees when you pay. Also note that changing the region may influence language and available promotions in certain markets. Once you've selected the region and currency you want, click Save. The page will refresh, and you should immediately see all room rates and totals in your chosen currency. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or closing and reopening the app. When signed in, your preferences typically carry over to future visits. If you're browsing as a guest, the site will usually remember your choice with a cookie for a while. That's all there is to it. Go to Hotels.com, open the currency or region selector, choose your preferred region and currency, and save. If you change your mind later, just revisit the same menu and update your selection. Now you can shop with clearer pricing, compare stays confidently, and book without second-guessing currency conversion.